Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Clarissa's Cuisine. Today I'm going to prepare rice dumplings curry. Come, let's see the ingredients. Here I have taken 3 pounds of boiled rice soaked overnight, grated coconut half and salt as per taste. Come, let's start the preparation. Grind rice with salt and water. Now paste is ready. Now place the thick paste on a banana leaf and cover it using a cloth. Retain some of the paste. Preheat the thondur and place the wrapped paste. Cook for 15 minutes. Mix the heated paste with the paste kept aside. Paste with grated coconut. Now mold the pundi from the paste. In a preheated thondur, place the molded pundis. For 15 minutes. Once done, cut the pundi into smaller pieces. Come, now let's prepare the gravy. Byadgi Red Chillis, half grated coconut, 1 onion, 1 small pod of garlic cloves, 5 teaspoons of coriander seeds, 3/4 teaspoon of jeera, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt as per taste, tamarind, small gooseberry size, and for seasoning, oil and 1 onion. Put all the ingredients into a jar and grind it. Add salt and water and grind into a fine paste. Now paste is ready. First heat the empty pan and add a few tablespoons of oil, then add one onion. As onion turns golden brown, add ground paste. Adjust the thickness of masala by adding water. Add salt as per taste. Once the gravy is prepared, add the cut pundis and mix it. For a few minutes. Yummy! Rice dumplings curry is ready. Please try this recipe and share your reviews in comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next video. Take care. Bye.